The phenomena of optical activity will be shown by a compound will become optical active whenever plane of symmetry or symmetry is absent. If the molecule is unsymmetrical, chiral, unsymmetrical, due to lack of symmetry, the molecule can rotate plane of polarized light either towards right side or towards left side. Then the molecule becomes optically active. So when the complex is given, how to find out whether the given complex is optically active or inactive? Very simple. Symmetry should not be there. Plane of symmetry should not be there. So let us check the option A. When the plane passing through A metal atom, central metal atom and another A, we can get two equal parts. Both are exactly mirror images of each other. So it cannot rotate the plane of polarized light. So this is optically inactive. We have to find out optically active. Which one showing optical activity means optically active. Coming to the option C, same thing. Plane passing through B, M and B can cut the entire molecule into two equal parts. Both are exactly mirror images of each other. That's why due to internal compensation, it cannot rotate the plane of polarized light. This is also optically inactive. Coming to the option D, again two identical ligands of A are lying on the same axis along with the central metal atom. So again we got plane of symmetry, so two equal parts are obtained. Then if you check the option B, there is no plane of symmetry. You cannot get plane of symmetry. This is cis isomer. Remaining are considered trans isomers, but option B is cis isomer. There is no plane of symmetry. Since no plane of symmetry, when light is passed through this, it can rotate the plane of polarized light either towards right side or towards left side. So one which is rotating plane of polarized light can have optical activity. So option B is having optical activity. So if it is organic compound, easily we can find out by checking the presence of chiral carbon. But in complex compounds, they do not have chiral carbon, but they will become optically active whenever the molecule is not having symmetry, right? So you keep on checking the symmetry. One which is not having symmetry is the correct answer. That will exhibit optical activity. So correct answer for this question is B. The answer is B.